All right, welcome back to Ron's Garage. You might ask, what is going on here? There's electrical wires all over the place. Well, as I said in a previous video, I am getting ready to start on some electrical stuff, wiring on the car. So here's what I've got. I've got my lights that I got off Amazon. I got two fronts and I got two backs for taillight, brake light, and turn signals. I've got a LED flasher because they're LED lights. I have a connector for the flasher. I have some various switches somewhere around here. Here it is. I've got a momentary switch, which is going to act as my brake light switch for this hookup. And I have a couple of toggle switches, which I don't think I really need. The most important thing I need, though, is this. This is the steering column that came in the car. Nothing was hooked up. The reason it's not still in the car is that the end of the shaft is all boogered up. I found another column. This is out of a Corvette. I can tell because it's got the telescoping steering wheel. The one that I found for it's out of a Camaro. It does not have the telescoping steering wheel, which is okay with me. So anyway, the important part is it's got a turn signal switch. And these are all the wires that go to the turn signal switch. Now what I'm trying to do here is make sure that I am right. If I'm right, the logic that when you put on your brake lights and then you put on your turn signal, the brake light to that particular side is supposed to stop and it's supposed to blink. I'm pretty sure that is all in there that causes all that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook this stuff up because there's a wire for the flasher, there's a wire for the brake light switch up here. So I'm going to hook everything up and test it. I've got a battery over there, although I've only got 11.5 volts on it. My battery charger has died, so I'm not getting anything out of that. I'll have to get another one of those. That battery's been sitting for almost a year now. The battery charger did work a while ago. I charged it up once, but anyway, that's neither here nor there. So what I'm going to do is I've got a whole bunch of wire and I'm going to hook everything up right here on the workbench and we're going to test it and see if it works. So I don't have the ability to do fast forward through here, and rather than make a long boring video of me hooking up wires, and understand I'm not putting any connectors on anything, I'm just twisting and I'll tape if I need to. I'm just twisting stuff together to see if it works. I want to make sure that turn signal switch shuts off the brake lights and operates the turn signal. Same for the front, although it's a different filament, different element or different wire for the front. The back, though, is the same wire, the same circuit for the brake light and the turn signal. So I got to make sure that works. If it works here, it'll work in there because the wires there are all the same. So anyway, I'm going to pause you. I'm going to hook everything up, and then when I come back, we'll test it out. Bye. All right, welcome back to Ron's Garage. As promised, I'm back, and I have finished temporarily wiring up these lights to that Corvette steering column. And you can see all the wires going up to it, and no, nothing's taped and there's no connections. Everything is okay, it's all separated. This is proof of concept only. So let me try to straighten you up here. I've got my phone kind of zip tied to this tripod, trying to get it to where you guys can see. So anyway, I have Right here, not sure if you can see it, I've got a momentary switch to act as the brake light switch. Got the turn signal indicator. You can't see that right there. So these are laid out left rear, left front, right front. So we're going to see if everything works. I have not tried this. I wanted to share this first failure or success with everybody. So here we go. First, we're going to try the brake lights. Oh, the brake lights work. I don't know if you saw that or not. Let me, oh yeah, you can see it. Now, we're going to try the turn signals. I'm going to go, let's see, left first. I got to hold this column so it doesn't rotate. Well, that's pretty fast. Last time I saw turn signals go that fast was a standard duty flasher towing a trailer. This is an LED flasher though. I may have to get another flasher. But lefts work, let's try rights. Alright, rights work. So the brake lights and the turn signals work wired up through the column. So that's a bonus. Now is the moment of truth. Will the turn signal that's on stop flashing and go to brake light when the brake light's applied? Let's go left first. And applying the brake light now. And well, it continues to flash like it's supposed to. And the other side comes on, just like it's supposed to. Now let's try the other way. It keeps flashing and the other side comes on, just like it's supposed to. So, all right, so as I suspected, the steering column has the logic circuits, although they're manual logic circuits, to do all of that, which means I can run what I suspected I wanted to run, which was one single element or side of the LED for both brake light and turn signal. So that means I only got to put one light in the back. Now I didn't wire up the tail lights. The tail lights are the lower intensity and the parking lights are the lower intensity side of the LEDs. So, but it works. Now I'm confident going ahead and putting them in and wiring everything up. So we shall see. I'll get to that probably very soon, if not next. I got to do these, I got to do the gauges, I got to do the engine wiring so it'll start. I've still got to clean the gas tank, yeah, I know. I still need to do the lower shock mounts in the back, I know. All of that's on the list. I wanted to do something this time though that wasn't going to give me such a pain in the butt, and just try to do something to where it worked for a change the first time. So yay for me. Did find one problem though. Let me spin you around here and tilt you down. My old battery charger is not working well. It's only putting out 11 volts, which is not enough. So I don't know where you are. There you are. I know it's crooked. I got to figure this tripod thing out. I am not a photographer. So anyway, that's it for today. I've got this figured out, and I'm going to do some piddling around. Maybe clean all this up and put some stuff away so it doesn't get ruined, and then see where I go. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.